Hello my dear food lovers, and thank you for watching this video. Today I want to share with you another great recipe of super tasty, super healthy, almost super healthy shrimp salad. We're gonna need just 10 minutes of our time, no skills required. Remember, this is the amateur culinary channel, so I'm not the professional chef. And I will show you how to easily make it at home. So, what we're gonna need? Some tomato cherries. Cherry tomatoes, sorry. Once again. Some cherry tomatoes. Shrimps. The salad itself. The Caesar dressing. I prefer to go the easy way, so you can buy it in any supermarket. The Parmesan cheese, or they call it Parmigiano Reggiano in Italy. Salt, some black pepper, and croutons. To start with, we just need to chop the salad. Okay, first of all you need to wash it, but it was already washed by me. So let's just chop it. Knife. There's no special cutting techniques for this salad, just the only rule is cut the salad, not your fingers. And it's done. Inside. Second step, shrimps. These ones are cooked already. So we just need to open the plastic cover and we have to get rid of water inside. Okay, nice and dry. Inside. Now we need 2 spoons to mix them together. Yeah. Salt comes next, not too much. A little bit of black pepper. I say a little bit, but it always depends on your taste. The next come cheese. Let's get rid of the plastic. Cut this black thing off. And for the cheese, we're gonna need the grater. And simply grate it over your salad. Done? The next step, our cherry tomatoes. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut them in two equal halves. For nice presentation, like in the restaurant. Done? Круто! One by one we put them into the dish. Okay, a few more. Guess what? We just need to add some dressing and the salad is ready. Dressing time. Some of them they made this dressing at home or in the restaurants they make it, but nowadays you can buy the dressing in every supermarket. I'm just trying to guess how to make it look presentable. Almost presentable. Now we just mix it with the spoons. Then maybe some more dressing. And the salad is ready. Enjoy.